These are Jolie's Shepadoodle puppies. That's Rudolph. That's Oliver. Hey Sally, this is Sally. And Blitzen. Dove. This is like take 5 now, so they're a little worn out. These are all the puppies that are spoken for. Dove. Hey Dove. Look at you. Dove is going to be a light blue. I shaved her face a little bit, so see that blue color. Look at me. Anyway, Blitzen is going to Fran and Ross in South Carolina. Rudolph is going to Janice, Texas. Sally's right here. Sally's going to Chip in Tampa. This was Comet, now it's Oliver. His name is going to be Oliver, and he's going to be the brother to Taffy, who's on my website. You're going to have a big sister. Dove. Well, we got to get Dove awake. Come here, Dove. They were all playing really good a minute ago. Look at you in your blue color. Aren't you pretty? Aren't you pretty? Dove is going to Chris in Illinois. We're doing some trading on this litter. I'm going to get a horse named Sedona that I'm very excited to get. Yes. And Blitzen is going to help me put new flooring in my house, which I need badly. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. My seams all came up. I guess I should have taken some advice on which flooring to put down. But anyway, that'll be over. And they're all a little crashed now. Hey, Dove. Oh, I might have to put 2 videos on there for them. One with them crashed out, and one with them playing and having fun. Blitzen, what's up, buddy? Oh, puppies can only play so long. Can't ya? They're getting their first shots today. Probably hear that twice. I probably said that in the other video I'm going to put on there too. Rudolph. Rudolph. What you doing, buddy? What you doing? Since I had my nap, I'm ready to go. Yeah. Yeah, we don't know what your name's going to be yet. No, we don't. Somebody's using the paper. Who is it? Dove. Good girl. Good girl, Dove. Good girl. Look at that blue. Whoa. Well, Chris, you didn't want a black puppy. You certainly did not get a black puppy. That is blue as blue can be. Goodness gracious. It's not shaved all the way down either. That's blue. That's not blue skin. That's blue hair. Oh, Sally. They've all got beautiful coats. Oh, Oliver. Oliver. Come on over here. Come over here. Uh-oh. Camera's in the danger zone. Camera's in the danger zone. Rudolph. That's her face. Such a pretty face. Let's see. Yes, and we're just about done. Where's my mommy? Oh, take my mommy away like that. Rudolph. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Hey, Dove. Dove. Oh. Hey, Oliver. Oh, you're so done. He says, leave me alone. I played too hard. I can't do it no more. He's beautiful. Yeah. They all are. This is O'Malley's litter too. Jolie and O'Malley. O'Malley's going to have another litter with Bree, hopefully. They've been bred, but we'll have to wait and see her showing. She's going to have them around Christmas time. All right. All right. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. We got everybody but Oliver. Everybody but Oliver. There goes Rudolph.